Think your aquarium is complete? Think again. From self-cleaning tools to smart gadgets that keep your fish healthier, these 25 Amazon aquarium products can completely transform your tank. Stay until the end because the final product is one every fish keeper wishes they had discovered sooner. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 25. The HEPA Betta Fish Tank 1 Gallon. This sleek 1-gallon acrylic nano tank features a crystal-clear design, built-in LED lighting, and a quiet water filter to keep your fish healthy with minimal effort. It's perfect for betta fish, shrimp, or aquatic plants, and its compact size fits beautifully on desks, shelves, or countertops. Stylish, low-maintenance, and beginner-friendly, this tiny aquarium brings a peaceful underwater world to any space. Number 24. Aqua LED Aquarium Light. Designed for 18 to 24-inch fish tanks, it features a full-spectrum LED system with realistic 24/7 sunrise, daylight, sunset, and moonlight effects. Create your own lighting schedule using DIY mode, adjust brightness, and enjoy the built-in timer with memory function. Its IP68 waterproof design and extendable brackets make installation quick and reliable, giving your fish and aquatic plants the perfect environment to thrive. Number 23. Aquarium Aquascape Tools Kit 4-in-1. Made from durable anti-rust stainless steel, it includes precision tweezers, curved scissors, a substrate spatula, and algae tools for effortless planting, trimming, and tank maintenance. The ergonomic design lets you reach every corner without disturbing your fish, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced aquascapers who want a clean, healthy, and beautifully landscaped aquarium. Number 22. The HEPA Fish Tank 2.4-gallon Aquarium Kit. This sleek HD glass tank features a built-in 3-in-1 quiet pump for filtration, oxygenation, and water circulation, plus a unique humidifier that creates a stunning mist effect. The 7-color auto-looping LED light and real-time temperature display add beauty and convenience, making it a stylish, all-in-one home for your fish and aquatic plants. Number 21. Hugutter External Hang-On Back Canister Aquarium Filter. Designed for 20 to 40-gallon tanks, it features powerful 3-stage filtration, an ultra-quiet motor, and adjustable water flow for a healthier aquatic environment. With an integrated oil skimmer, duckbill nozzle, shower spray bar, and anti-dry burn protection, this all-in-one filter delivers clean water, better oxygenation, and worry-free performance for your fish. Number 20. AquaClear AC20 Power Filter. Perfect for 5 to 20-gallon tanks, it features powerful multi-stage filtration that removes debris while supporting beneficial bacteria. The adjustable flow rate is ideal for delicate fish like bettas, and its energy-efficient, quiet operation keeps your tank running smoothly. Easy to install and maintain, it's a reliable upgrade for any freshwater aquarium. Number 19. Hugutter 300W Aquarium Heater with Controller. Built for 40 to 80-gallon tanks, it features precise digital temperature control, an easy-to-read LED display, and a fully submersible design. Triple safety protection with overheating alerts, dry run prevention, and a beeping alarm helps protect your aquarium. While fast, reliable heating keeps both freshwater and saltwater tanks at the perfect temperature. Number 18. Fishnosh Automatic Fish Feeder. This smart dispenser lets you schedule automatic feedings with a built-in timer, ensuring your fish are fed on time whether you're at work or on vacation. Compatible with small tanks, large aquariums, and even ponds, it delivers consistent portions with easy setup and reliable performance, making fish care effortless every day. Number 17. 6.6 pounds Aquarium Soil for Aquascaping. Designed for aquatic plants and shrimp tanks, this nutrient-rich substrate promotes healthy root growth while helping create a natural underwater environment. There's no need to rinse before use, so you can set up your tank faster without cloudy water. It's the ideal foundation for vibrant plants, crystal-clear water, and a stunning aquascape. Number 16. Majoiwu Natural Large Driftwood. Each hand-selected piece measures 13 to 17 inches, making every setup unique and full of character. Perfect for aquariums, terrariums, and reptile habitats, it creates natural hiding spots while giving your tank a beautiful, nature-inspired look. Strong, durable, and easy to customize with moss or plants, it's the perfect centerpiece for any stunning aquascape. Number 15. Zone Root Tabs Aquarium Plant Fertilizer. These nutrient-rich fertilizer tablets deliver essential minerals directly to plant roots, promoting lush growth, vibrant colors, and healthier root systems. Safe for fish and shrimp, they're perfect for planted aquariums with root-feeding plants like Amazon swords and crypts. Simply place the tabs beneath the substrate and let your underwater garden thrive. Number 14. Digital Aquarium Water Test Kit, 10 in 1. These smart test strips measure pH, ammonia, nitrate, nitrite, GH, KH, chlorine, and more for both freshwater and saltwater tanks. Simply dip a strip, scan it with the companion app, and get fast, accurate results in seconds. It's the easiest way to monitor water quality and keep your fish, shrimp, and corals healthy. Number 13. Sayura 2 in 1 Aquarium Magnetic Cleaner with Digital Thermometer. This compact tool combines a powerful magnetic glass cleaner with a built-in digital thermometer, so you can remove algae and monitor water temperature at the same time. Its floating magnetic design prevents sinking, making it easy to retrieve and perfect for 1 to 30-gallon glass aquariums. Fast, convenient, and essential for every fish keeper. Number 12. Stainless Steel CO2 Diffuser Atomizer. Its premium ceramic diffuser creates ultrafine, uniform bubbles that dissolve efficiently into the water, helping plants grow faster and healthier. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built for long-lasting performance and blends seamlessly into any planted aquarium. A simple upgrade for a greener, more vibrant aquascape. Number 11. Magnetic Aquarium Glass Algae Scraper. The powerful magnetic design lets you clean the inside of your tank while your hand stays dry outside. Its scratch-free cleaning pad safely removes algae without damaging the glass, while the floating design makes it easy to retrieve if separated. Compact, non-slip, and perfect for small aquariums, it's a must-have tool for effortless tank maintenance. Number 10. Hugger Small Fish Tank Cleaner Kit. This all-in-one set includes a seaweed scraper, fishing net, sponge brush, and wall brush, all with a convenient detachable handle for easy reach. Perfect for cleaning algae, removing debris, and keeping your tank crystal clear without disturbing your fish. It's a compact, versatile toolkit every aquarium owner should have. Number 9. AQQA Electric Aquarium Vacuum Gravel Cleaner. This powerful 6-in-1 cleaning system vacuums gravel, changes water, washes sand, filters debris, circulates water, and removes waste, all with a high-performance 20-watt motor. Its adjustable design makes cleaning fast, efficient, and mess-free, helping you keep your aquarium crystal clear and your fish living in a healthier environment. Number 8. Hugger Strong Aquarium Air Pump. Built for medium and large fish tanks, this powerful yet quiet air pump delivers a steady airflow to improve water circulation and create a healthier environment for your fish. It's also great for hydroponic systems and commercial use. Durable, energy efficient, and easy to set up, it's the reliable way to keep your aquatic life thriving every day. Number 7. Hugger Light Wave Maker. Designed for 10 to 50-gallon aquariums, this adjustable DC circulation pump delivers up to 792 gallons per hour of smooth, consistent flow. The strong magnetic base makes installation easy, while the compact design keeps your tank looking clean. Perfect for freshwater and coral reef aquariums, it improves circulation, oxygen levels, and overall fish and coral health. Number 6. Complete Aquarium CO2 System. Designed for nano aquariums, it includes a precision desktop CO2 regulator and a 45-gram disposable CO2 cartridge for quick, hassle-free setup. Compatible with both 5/8-inch and 3/8-inch threaded cartridges, it delivers a steady CO2 supply to promote faster plant growth, richer colors, and a healthier, more vibrant aquascape. Number 5. Paizu Digital Aquarium Thermometer. This wireless LED thermometer delivers accurate temperature readings within plus or minus zero point 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, helping you maintain the ideal environment for bettas, axolotls, tropical fish, and other aquatic life. Its clear digital display is easy to read at a glance, while the replaceable battery provides long-lasting performance. A simple, reliable accessory for every aquarium owner. Number 4. Sunzeal Aquarium Fish Breeder Box. This floating isolation box provides a safe space for breeding, hatching, and separating newborn fry, shrimp, or injured fish from larger tank mates. Its fine mesh design allows continuous water circulation while reducing stress and improving survival rates. Easy to install in most aquariums, it's an essential tool for successful fish breeding and care. Number 3. Pawfly Aquarium Fish Net. Its extendable handle adjusts from 9 to 24 inches, making it simple to reach every corner of your aquarium, pond, or pool without getting your hands wet. The soft, fine mesh protects delicate fish like bettas and fry during transfers, while the lightweight design offers comfortable, precise control. A must-have tool for every aquarium owner. Number 2. Reinforced 40 to 50-gallon Aquarium Stand. Built with heavy-duty steel, it holds up to 720 pounds for exceptional stability and peace of mind. The built-in power outlet keeps your aquarium equipment organized, while the adjustable 5-tier shelving provides plenty of storage for filters, food, and accessories. Strong, practical, and stylish, it's the perfect foundation for any aquarium or reptile setup. Number 1. Nuki 3MP2K Aquarium Pet Camera. Enjoy crystal-clear 2K video, vibrant color night vision, and 24/7 recording to keep an eye on your fish, reptiles, or birds day and night. With human detection, instant alerts, two-way audio, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Alexa compatibility, it's a smart, easy-to-install camera that keeps you connected to your pets wherever you are.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.